Hey guys, good morning. It's Angelo Christian Financial. Thank you so much for watching Real Estate Insider, our podcast, where America goes for funding for the last 20 years. You can call or text us at the number above, the 832-431-6331. Today we're talking about Uber drivers, and not because you need an Uber driver, but can an Uber driver actually get a home loan? And so, of course, an Uber driver can get a home loan. You know, they deserve to own a home too. If you're an Uber driver, you work for Lyft, you want to buy a house too, right? But you need to figure out, how do you get a loan? Because Uber drivers make their income differently, and it's very hard for Uber drivers to actually get a home loan through a bank. So we're going to talk about how we can help you if you are an Uber driver, and how we've helped some of our past clients if you're an Uber driver, or you work for Lyft, or you get income from DoorDash or whatever. All of these rules apply. So I actually wanted to talk about this because we've had a lot of our clients that have called in that are Uber drivers. They work for Lyft or DoorDash or whatever, Grubhub, and they're having a hard time getting a loan because the banks are denying them because they don't show enough income on their tax return. So I wanted to talk about some strategies on how we can actually help you in some of the programs that we actually specialize in with our company. You know, we're a direct nationwide lender. We've been doing this for 20 years. We've helped hundreds of thousands of people. We have awesome reviews on Google. So please reach out to us. We'd love to talk to you and figure out a way on how to help you to get funding for you to be able to buy your home. So the first thing to know is that most of the time with these type of jobs, you are going to be a 1099 contract worker. That means that you're not a W-2 employee. You're considered self-employed, a 1099 contract worker if you work for Uber, if you work for Grubhub or Lyft or whatever. So that's okay. With our company, we can actually get you approved just on your 1099. So you just need your 1099 from last year. You just need 1 year of those 1099s. You don't need tax returns. You don't need W-2s. You don't need pay stubs. You just have to have your 1099 from the previous year. And you have to be presently still working there. So let's say, for example, give an example of a customer we helped in New Jersey that's an Uber driver, just closed on his home loan. He was making about $100,000 a year from Uber. And actually, Uber drivers make money, surprisingly. And a lot of people don't think Uber drivers make money. They do. They make really good money. So he's making about $100,000 a year. We give him credit for that 1099 that he had for 2020 that showed he made $100,000. He's still working for Uber. Now, there are some requirements for the loan. Obviously, you have to have rental history, so you can't be living rent-free. That's the first requirement. You have to have proof of rent. There are credit requirements. We'll go down to a 640 credit score. 640 credit score is 20% down. 660 credit score is 15% down. 700 credit score is 10% down. We can go up to a $2 million purchase price. And you can use Uber income plus other income. Let's say you have two jobs. Let's say you work as a pharmacy tech in the day and Uber at night. We can give you credit for both jobs. So, but up to a $2 million loan. Minimum purchase price is $200,000. Maximum is $2 million. No bankruptcy or foreclosure in the last 4 years. Okay. And you have to have the funds for closing. You have to have the down payment. You also have the closing costs are usually going to be about 3 to 6%. You need to have about 6 months reserves. How you can get this funds for closing, you can have the money you save in your bank account. You could get a gift. You could sell things. You could, however you got the money. We only go back 30 days to check in your bank account for seasoning, for qualifications. But those are the main requirements. You can purchase a single family home, a townhome, a condo, any of those properties that are stabilized that don't need rehab, you're allowed to purchase. So basically, we want to be your go-to lender for self-employed loans. We specialize and cater with the self-employed. So if you're an Uber driver and maybe you got denied by your bank because you wrote off all the income on your tax returns, don't give up. Don't lose hope. That's why we're here. So you can call or text us at the number above, the 832-431-6331, or you can click on the link down below to actually get signed up to get pre-approved right there, and one of our lenders will contact you within 24 hours to help you. We've been doing this for 20 years. You want to be your go-to. If you know anyone that is self-employed, please share this video with them. If you know anyone that works for Uber or Lyft, share this video with them. Tell them don't lose hope. They don't have to keep renting. They can own their own home too. So please reach out to us. Thank you so much for watching Angelo Christian, and check out my next video. Thank you so much.